Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.